Ever wondered what Kava is and why its logo keeps popping up? Let me break it down fast. Kava is a Layer 1 blockchain that combines the speed and interoperability of Cosmos with the developer power of Ethereum. Two of the biggest blockchain environments merged into one powerhouse. Here's how it works. Kava uses a co-chain architecture. Ethereum co-chain. EVM smart contracts run here just like on Ethereum. Cosmos co-chain. Tendermint consensus. Inter-blockchain communication protocol. The magic is the translator module. It connects both co-chains into one scalable network. Kava's native token, Kava, isn't just for show. It's used for governance and utility. You can stake it as a validator or delegate it to validator nodes. In return, stakers and delegators earn 37.5% of all Kava emissions, just for helping keep the network secure. Plus, you get to vote on important network proposals. So what makes Kava unique? Simple. Developers can build on Ethereum or on Cosmos environments, low fees, super fast speeds, and full interoperability. On-chain incentives reward great developers and projects, DeFi, GameFi, NFTs, and, this is huge, Solidity smart contracts can interact seamlessly with Cosmos SDK protocols, unlocking connections to millions of users and assets. Security? Kava runs on a proof-of-stake consensus, using validator nodes that risk collateral to keep everything honest. Only the top 100 validators get Kava rewards, but anyone can stake on exchanges or wallets like Binance, Kraken, and Trust Wallet. And finally, governance is totally decentralized thanks to KavaDAO. Kava holders propose and vote on everything from smart contract tweaks to which assets make the cut. That's the Kava Network in a nutshell. Power, speed, and flexibility made simple. Developer-optimized co-chain architecture delivering Ethereum power and Cosmos speed. Build where you want, scale where you need. On-chain incentives make sure contributors are rewarded. Multiple independent audits from top firms, no vulnerabilities found to date. Validators maintain the network and can be penalized for misbehavior, keeping security tight. You can stake via exchanges or wallets like Binance, Kraken, Huobi Pool, Trust Wallet, Cosmos Station, and Kepler. Remember, only the top 100 validators are eligible for block rewards. Solidity contracts can call Cosmos modules, bridging ecosystems at the protocol level. That means assets and apps interoperate seamlessly across the network, connecting to millions of users and every major asset. From DeFi to GameFi to NFTs, Kava supports the full Web3 stack. Great projects get on-chain incentives and a share of governance. Kava holders propose, validators secure, and the community votes. Everything is transparent and accessible on-chain. Governance is decentralized. Community-driven decisions power the network. From contract updates to asset listings, votes decide the future. Quick recap: co-chain architecture, EVM plus Cosmos, fast low-fee transfers, staking and governance. Industry audits back the protocol. Security is a priority. Validators are monitored for performance and slashing keeps them honest. Onboarding is simple. Stake or delegate from popular wallets and exchanges. Kava integrates with major exchanges, wallets, and security partners. Developers are building. Momentum is growing. Kava brings together the two most used blockchain dev environments in one scalable network. Power, speed, flexibility, all in one. Apps reach users and assets move freely across chains. Stake Kava, earn rewards, and participate in governance. Be part of KavaDAO, shape the network. That's Kava in 2 minutes. Co-chain, EVM plus Cosmos, secure and scalable. Power, speed, flexibility. Explore Kava. Visit kava.io to learn more. Kava, bringing blockchains together.